You have to say to people commenting that I'm ugly and fat.
I will tell them that they are wrong.
That's right.
Because you are also a bottom.
Who took a bite of my cake? I just bought this.
I don't know, Apple. I'm eating an onion. See? Oh, who did it? I don't know.
I stabbed my husband.
Your dad is dead. He's in my room, the ashes. That's why I long for him. I miss him a lot.
Who ate my PB&J sandwich?
First, Apple, there's a tip. Second, there's a ghost. Now you're hallucinating. Why don't you see a doctor? Chocolate? Oh, I don't like chocolate. It's too fattening for me. I like broccoli.
I just bought this today.
I don't know, Apple. I really didn't do it. Scout's honor. I didn't do it.